What if Children's Day wasn't just about gifts, cake, and photo ops, but about truly honoring the child in front of you? Not the ideal child, not the high achiever, not the one who behaves perfectly, but the real, messy, joyful, struggling human being who deserves to feel seen, heard, and deeply valued just as they are. This Children's Day, skip the pressure to throw a perfect party. Instead, gift your child something far more rare, your full presence. Put your phone away, kneel to their eye level. Ask, what would make today feel special to you? And then, this is the hard part, follow their lead, even if it's not what you planned. Maybe they want to build a blanket fort and read comics all afternoon. Maybe they want to cook pancakes together, even if the kitchen becomes a flower storm. Maybe they want to sit quietly and watch clouds. Say yes. For one day, let their rhythm be yours. Celebrate their uniqueness, not their report card. Tell them what you admire. I love how you notice when someone's sad, or your laugh fills the whole room, or you never give up, even when it's hard. These words stick longer than any toy. And don't forget the quiet ones, the kids who don't seek the spotlight. Leave a handwritten note in their lunchbox. Sit beside them without talking. Let them know their calm presence matters just as much as loud joy. If you're a teacher or caregiver, use this day to listen. Ask students, what's one thing you wish adults understood about you? Then actually listen. No defending, no explaining. Just receive their truth. Children's Day isn't about grand gestures. It's about micro moments of respect, letting them choose their outfit, honoring their no to hugs, or simply saying, I'm sorry I raised my voice earlier. You deserve patience. In a world that often treats children as projects to be managed or achievements to be showcased, true celebration means saying, you're enough, exactly as you are. Your voice matters. Your feelings are valid. You belong. And for children facing hardship, foster kids, refugees, those in hospitals or poverty, extend that celebration outward. Donate books, volunteer, or simply teach your child to include others. True joy multiplies when shared. So this Children's Day, light a candle, bake imperfect cookies, dance in the living room, or sit under a tree together. Let the day be slow, simple, and soulful. Because the greatest gift you can give a child isn't something you buy, it's the unshakable belief that they are loved for who they are, not what they do. Welcome to Genius Parenting, where every day is Children's Day when we choose to honor childhood with wonder, respect, and presence. If this reminded you what really matters, give it a like. It helps other parents celebrate with heart, not hype. Share it with someone who believes childhood is sacred. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a genius parenting tip on raising loved, seen, and deeply valued kids in a world that needs their light.